Your domestic season starts in Spain. Before we know it, it'll be international football. And the qualifiers start for Euro 2016. How important do you think it is that Wales get off to a good start this time?
Yeah, massively important. I think in previous campaigns we haven't got off to the best of starts, and we've kind of lacked confidence a bit. So hopefully we can get off to a good start this time. It'll give us a lot of confidence, and yeah, hopefully that can spearhead us on to get good results and get some big results against the big teams as well.
Because people will see, yourself, you're at Real Madrid, got the likes of Aaron at Arsenal, Joe Allen, Liverpool. I mean, some fantastic players. But as we've seen in this World Cup, anyone can beat anyone, can't they, really? Yeah,
definitely. And I think we're a team that's improving as well. We're still quite a young team. We've been together a while now, and yeah, I think it's time for us to start producing on the pitch, produce some big results. And yeah, as you've seen in the World Cup this season, anyone can beat anyone. So yeah, we're all looking forward to it, all excited, and yeah, the prize is massive to be in a major championship, and there's no better time to do it than now.
Usually people go to Andorra skiing. We'll be going there first game of the campaign. It is important. We'll be expected to win. You can never take anything for granted, but it's important we get the 3 points in that game, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I think no matter who it's against, we want to take 3 points, whether it be against Belgium or whether it be against Andorra. It's 3 points are up for grabs, and we want to get maximum points in every game. So yeah, we'll be looking to get a good result, and yeah, trying our best to get the 3 points and get off to a good start.
Is it still a big ambition of yours to play European Championships or a World Cup?
For any footballer, they want to be playing in the biggest tournaments, and it doesn't come bigger than the Euros and the World Cup. So yeah, it's a massive opportunity this time around, especially with the extra team qualifying from each group, and yeah, it's a massive chance for us, and one we're hoping to take.
Because of who you are and who you play for, when you play for Wales, do you feel that bit of extra pressure now, expectation? We've got Gareth Bale, we'll do this.
No, I don't feel any pressure. Whenever I pull this shirt on for my country, it's just an honour to play for them. I'll always give 100%, and yeah, for me, I don't feel any added pressure, just the excitement of playing for my country in front of the home crowd, and yeah, hopefully we can do them proud this time around and qualify.